Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super crunchy, delicious chicken wings. Here's what you're going to need: some chicken wings, pepper, salt, smoked paprika and baking powder. Yes, that's baking powder, not baking soda. So we're going to marinate this chicken with these 4 ingredients. So I'm going to combine these 4 ingredients in a bowl: pepper, salt, paprika and baking powder. Now baking powder is what's going to crisp up that chicken. So you're going to get a really crisp chicken with the baking powder. So that's the little secret. Make sure all your chicken is nicely covered with this powder. My chicken is nicely coated. Now I'm going to put that onto a baking rack. So I've got a baking tray here with a rack, and I'm going to pop my chicken onto this rack. Now it's good if you've got a rack because that helps the airflow to go through and crisp your chicken up. It will still work without a rack, but it's best if you use a rack. So I've got all my chicken on the rack now, ready to go into a preheated oven. I've preheated my oven to 220 and I'm going to put that chicken in for 20 minutes and then I'm going to take it out and turn it around and put it back in for 20 minutes. That's my chicken in the oven for 20 minutes. For the sauce, you're going to need some sriracha sauce, or if you don't have sriracha sauce, use a hot chili sauce, some honey, and to this sauce we're going to add just a couple of drops of sesame oil. Give that a good stir, and this is our glaze. So once our chicken is cooked, we're going to be pouring this over our chicken. My chicken has just come out of the oven after 20 minutes and is crisped up beautifully. We're going to turn this all over and then put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. My chicken is out of the oven and as you can hear, it's nice and crispy. You can see my chicken is crisped up beautifully. We're now going to add our yummy glaze to our nice crispy chicken and give that a stir. Our crispy chicken wings are well marinated and looks absolutely delicious. So there you have it, crispy chicken wings with sriracha sauce and honey, and I've sprinkled it with some sesame seeds, and on the side I've got some leftover sauce, so in case you want a bit more bite, there's some extra sauce. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.